What makes Alaska's economy? Understanding investment. Andrew loves pizza. It's always been his dream to make pizza for people, but he didn't have the money to open a place alone. Andrew came up with a business plan and approached his friends Tom and Ann about the investment opportunity. They both have careers. Tom works on the North Slope in the oil field, and Ann spends her summers commercial fishing in Cook Inlet. Both have done well in recent years and have money saved up. They've been looking for an investment opportunity that could earn them more money than having their money sit in a savings account. Andrew shows them his plan. Tom and Ann understand startup businesses can be a risky investment, but stand to make money if it succeeds. Tom and Ann have another friend, Kate, who also approached them with an investment opportunity. Her new business, Kate's Cat Grooming. Tom and Ann compare the two business plans. They both love pizza, and so do lots of other people. Neither of them are cat people, and they don't see many around their community either. This leads them to believe they will make more money by investing in Andrew's business rather than Kate's. Tom, Ann, and Andrew put money into Andrew's pizza place to get it started. As the manager, Andrew runs the day-to-day operations like hiring staff, ordering food, and making the menu. As investment partners, Tom and Ann put money into getting the business up and running, and in return, they make a cut of the profits. Andrew's Pizza Place is a lot like Alaska. Money comes from a variety of investors in different industries inside and outside of Alaska. This money helps build business. For example, Alaska's biggest industry, oil and gas, could not operate at the scale it does without outside investment, and Andrew couldn't have his pizza place without Tom and Ann. Like any investor looking to bring money into Alaska, Tom and Ann took a hard look at whether Andrew's pizza place would make a good investment. The location looks good, it's on a busy street, and one that's well maintained by the local government, and in a business-friendly part of the community, creating a lot of drive-by and foot traffic. Next, they looked at all of the costs involved in running a business, including the expected taxes. Because Alaska has such a healthy state budget, the sales tax and property taxes for the pizza place are low. The cost of ingredients is expensive in Alaska because they need to be shipped in. However, people love pizza, and Andrew's Pizza Place will be the only one in town. Andrew needs to charge enough to cover the cost of ingredients, pay expenses, and make a profit for investors. He believes that even though the price of a pie will be more at his place than in the lower 48, he can charge customers a reasonable price and still make a profit. For these reasons and more, Tom and Ann excitedly invested in Andrew's Pizza Place, and they've been happy about their investment ever since. They get to see Andrew succeed and get returns off their good investment. But if circumstances change, sometimes a good investment can become a bad one. If suddenly there was a nationwide tomato shortage and it became crazy expensive to make pizza sauce, that would cause problems. Andrew would be forced to raise the price of pizza, and customers probably wouldn't feel like it was worth it, no matter how good it tasted. Andrew chose an affordable location, but if property taxes or rent suddenly went up, it could become too expensive to operate at his current location. All three understand the financial risks involved with opening up a new business, but without risk, there's no reward. The group decides the benefits of making more money outweigh the potential risk of a failed business. Luckily for Andrew and his investment team, Andrew's Pizza Place is doing great. With his delicious menu and affordable location, Andrew makes enough money to afford his business expenses and pay himself and his investors, which makes the pizza place a great investment, and everyone is happy. Thank you to our partners who made this video possible.